Fucking hot today, bro.
What's your name? Oh, Silver.
Silver.
Your brother is gold? Sorry.
But it's Kasper.
I wanna thank the storm that brought the snow, and thanks to the string of lights that make it glow. But I wanna thank you, baby, you make it feel like Christmas.
It barely took a breath to realize we're gonna be a classic for all time. I wanna thank you, baby, you make it feel like Christmas.
What you gonna do?
Put the pin and the collar under the panel,
Yeah.
between the panel and the brake here, and that's it.
Don't listen to him. He's French. He's lying.
No way. I'm the best worker of the world.
You have different colors.
이렇게 두 사람이 패널을 가지고 오면 두 사람이 핀스 앤 콜라를 끼워줍니다. 아래 위로 두 개씩 있고요. 패널이 굉장히 무겁습니다. 32kg 정도 되는데
Maybe the bottom first, no?
Why? You can't put it in.
그래서 핀을 꼽는데 이게 손가락이 굉장히 아픕니다.
Put on the top. Real.
Alright.
이제 빨리빨리 가지고 와줘야 빨리 끝낼 수 있고
I'm gonna try bottom first.
이 핀을 빨리 꽂아줘야 여기 이 들고 있는 사람이 덜 힘듭니다. So hard. The only thing I have to say is don't do paneling. Don't do. Never do.
If you want to hurt yourself.
Good nap, eh?
So I checked for danger. Now I'm going to check, is he responsive? Alex, you okay? First one to do is I want to use my first compression bandage, and there's sometimes 3 in a packet, sometimes 2 in a packet. Okay?
Hey you.
지금 비가 와서
Like the old gun.
기다리고 있습니다.
It's like we have this gun on the platform that is
Fuck this.
This is only for paneling team. You can't come here.
지금 솔라팜에서 파넬링 하고 있는데 죽을 것 같습니다. 지금 애들도 다 죽어가고 있습니다. 만약에 솔라팜을 가면 패널링은 절대 하지 마십시오. 와. What the fuck are you doing?
It's meeting. It's meeting for supervisors.
Check, double check, check again.
Yeah, make
See
sure
everything's right.
do the remediation, change the pins that are not placed properly. No, yeah, we were thinking like if it's we keep on going, pushing, and then it starts raining and lighting, and
¿Cómo estás, Bruno?
Muy bien, vos.
Muy bien.
You wanna make a porn film?
Yeah, do something.
Una taritari. Una taritari.
I'm going to make video. Tell me about yourself.
Me llamo Bruno, tengo 26 años y Janul es un alumno de mierda.
What?
No aprende nada. Un
What's
desastre.
that? What did you say?
Halung is a disaster, like worker.
Disaster. What?
Like worker, like a person.
Ah, today is so hot.
We are working with 45 degrees.
45?
Yeah,
Hey,
you didn't
you-
check.
Really?
Yeah.
It's going to be thunder,
Thunder there.
Apparently.
maybe. So we are chilling now. 아. 공도 끝난 지 얼마나 됐다고 또 비가 했어. 진짜 한치 앞도 안 보인다.